Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So, in the questions for the day today, we are going to discuss two very good questions, one on geometry and other one on algebra, the concept of mod. Before we go there, just a gentle reminder कि हमारा crash course start होने वाला है बहुत जल्दी and if you have not enrolled yet, this is a perfect time to do so. If you look for the right mentorship and if you are looking for some serious practice along with the concepts. So this is the course that will fulfill your needs. Okay, let's see what the set is all about. So the questions are all about. The first question is a circle with radius r and center O is drawn such that a circle with center O dash and radius r dash, which where r dash is less than r, is tangent to it at a point P. So there are two circles, एक ये and एक ये circle, right? Okay. So tangent है point P पे. There is a point A on the larger circle which is distinct from P such that chords AX and AY are tangent to the smaller circle at B and C respectively. So एक point ले लेते हैं A. अब यहाँ से हमारे पास दो tangents हैं AX and AY. And these are the tangents at B and C respectively. Now, if angle BPC is 72 degree, right? If this BPC is 72 degree, find out the measure of angle XPY. Right, I need to find the measure of XPY. Okay, so as a layman, right, मुझे क्या दिख रहा है XPY निकालने के लिए? मुझे एक तो मतलब इस साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल दिख रहा है AXPY. ये एक साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, which means अगर ये एंगल नोन होगा तो सामने वाला एंगल आ जाएगा मेरे पास. सम ऑफ अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ अ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज 180. Now this is 72. ABPC भी एक quadrilateral दिख रहा है मुझे, but this is not a cyclic quadrilateral, and I need to find these angles in order to find A, right? Which I can see that is difficult right now. What else do I know? I know that there are two tangents, AX और AC दो AX और AY दो tangents है, right? B और C पे. अब अगर सर्कल पे टेंजेंट है तो आपको क्या याद आता है सबसे पहले? कि अगर हमारे पास सेंटर होगा, let's say if this is a center, then angle B, okay, angle AB, let's say this is O, A, this is 90, this is 90. If this is 90, this is 90. अब मैं बड़ा ध्यान से अगर एक और चीज देखूं, if I see this, so this sector is subtending angle 72 over here, so at center it will subtend the angle that is double of 72, right? So it will be 144 over here. अब हमारा क्वेश्चन खत्म हो गया. इफ यू सी 90 90 180 है तो ये भी 144 और ये 180 होना चाहिए, तो दिस इज 36 डिग्री. नाउ इफ दिस इज 36 डिग्री, then obviously it is a cyclic quadrilateral, so it would be 180 minus 36, right? So angle XPY would be 180 minus 36, that is 144 degree, right? This is the required answer. I hope the concept is clear to you, right? Let's see what the second question is all about. Now it says mod of 3 minus mod of 6x upon 4 plus mod 2x is greater than equal to 1 by 4. What is the total number of integral values that satisfies the given inequality? Now it is a very good conceptual question. There are 2-3 things that we should know. Let's say first of all, if mod of a is greater than equal to 3a, so what is the value of a? A is greater than equal to 3, a is less than equal to minus 3. Right, this is the equality that will satisfy this. First, second, let's say if I'm writing mod of 5a, it can also be written as 5 into mod a, because basically 5 को हमने मल्टीप्लाई तो करना है ना a से. अब a यहाँ से पॉजिटिव आउटपुट ही देगा मुझे हमेशा, और यहाँ से भी हमेशा पॉजिटिव आउटपुट ही आउटकम में आएगी, राइट? दिस. Third, if let's say there is 3 plus 2 upon mod a, it is nothing but 3 into mod a plus 2, or mod of 3a plus 2 upon mod a. Right, very simple criteria. So let's try to use whatever we have learned here. Let's write apply here. So if it is getting multiplied over here, 3 into 4 is 12 प्लस 3 into mod 2x. अब 3 को मैं अंदर भी भेज सकता हूँ, जैसे मैं यहाँ पे 5 को अंदर भेज सकता हूँ, तो ओके, माइनस mod of 6x is 4 upon 4 plus mod of 2x, right? This is greater than equal to 1 by 4. So mod 6 तो वैसे ही कैंसिल हो गया. 12 upon 4 plus mod 2x is greater than equal to 1 by 4, right? अब जैसे हमने यहाँ सीखा था कि इसको दो रिजल्ट लिख सकता हूँ, यहाँ भी लिख सकता हूँ क्या? ऑब्जर्व करो एक चीज, यहाँ लिखा माइनस 1 by 4 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 12 अपॉन 4 प्लस मॉड 2x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 by 4, राइट? ये चीज है मेरे पास. सी द न्यूमरेटर इज पॉजिटिव, डिनोमिनेटर इज आल्सो पॉजिटिव, राइट? न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों ही पॉजिटिव है. मॉड ऑफ 2x, दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव थिंग, राइट? तो कैन आई से कि ये आउटपुट कभी भी -4 से कम तो आ ही नहीं सकती, नेगेटिव हो ही नहीं सकती ये आउटपुट. Which means for this particular case I cannot, or I should not, or I won't consider that negative case. I am left with only one case, that 12 upon 4 plus mod 2x is greater than equal to 1 by 4. So if I solve it, 48 is greater than equal to 4 plus mod 2x, or mod 2x is less than equal to 48 minus 4, 44. So it is mod 2x, so it is nothing but 2 into mod x less than equal to 44. So mod of x is less than equal to 22. ठीक है, this is the value of mod of x. So if this is equal to 22, x is less than equal to 22, and x is greater than equal to minus 22. ये रेंज आ जाएगी मेरे पास, राइट? x को दो बार पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव खोलने पे. So minus 22 22, all values satisfied. So how many integers are these? Minus 22 से 22 हो गए अपने पास 45 integers, right? Including 0. Please 44 मत लिखना, 0 काउंट नहीं होता वहाँ पे, कर लेना. 45 integers, right? So this is our required answer. So this completes my set, and this completes my question basically. And if you have any doubt, please put in comments, and we really hope that the next one is you. And still, if you have any queries, you can always text me at the given number 9988656560. I am Sahil. Thank you so much guys, have a great day.